Hey guys, so it has been a while since I've done a friend mail video, much less one from Carla, so this is one that is really exciting. I don't know what's in here. I took off the outer layer of paper from the box just so I don't accidentally dox anybody. So I did do that, but I have not so much as peeked inside this box first, but I love that she shipped it in a chewy box. There is a running joke in this house. My dog feels the need to inspect every package that comes in this house. She must sniff them as if she were a drug-sniffing dog, a bomb-sniffing dog, what have you. She feels the need to inspect, and she will get huffy if we don't let her sniff it. My dad's like, yeah, she's trying to find out when she's gonna get a Chewy box. The irony, I did not know that a literal Chewy box was used in here. And she did spend an awfully long time sniffing specifically this one, as if she knew. As if she knew. One of these days, we will get her a proper one with stuff for her. But anyway, by the way, this stuff literally tastes like a pink Starburst, in case you've never had it. Just throwing it out there. There will be a proper review another day. Not today, but literally the exact flavor of a pink Starburst. It's the best. Anyway. So let us get all into this box. So we got paper, we got some more paper, we got some bubble wrap, more bubble wrap. And first things up, we've got a Lacura. I forgot about Lacura! Holy shit! Their lip kit in Ruby, which I love me a good red lippy, so this is fantastic. It's got a lip liner and a matte liquid lipstick, which I am very excited to see. Let's see what kind of color this is. I mean, as if we did... Ooh, it's like a good red, too. Oh, hell yes! Thank you! Oh my gosh, that is going to be so pretty on. I didn't even know they did tinted lip products. I knew about the lip balms they did, because we've reviewed those many times on this channel. And I think the only place you can buy them is Aldi. Oh, that is so nice. I've never had a proper red lip liner, believe it or not. I've had ones that were like deep maroon and either leaning purple or brown, but never like a proper red. Hell yeah. Perfect. Absolute perfection. Then we have got, what are we, ooh, it's a kabuki brush. Can you believe, I don't think I've ever had a kabuki brush yet. Remember when those were all the rage and then everybody stopped talking about them? Well, I still want it, so I'm actually stoked this is in here. And it's pink! It's so cute! Oh my gosh. Super soft makeup brush, ideal for face powder and setting powder. Absolutely perfect, because I can indeed make this just like my go-to one for the setting powder, because that is always like a battle that I have, like my nice fluffy brushes that I alternate between. Am I using it with blush and bronzer? Am I using it with blush and setting powder? One of them has to be washed at all times. One of them has to be devoted to the blush at all times. This solves that problem. Heck yes. I'm so stoked about that. It's really soft and nice. And then we've got, also from Lacura, these are their answer to the Tree Hut shower scrubs. And actually, ooh, I like how textured the jars are. Like, can you guys see this? I want to say this reminds me of something that, like, my grandma had that was glass with, like, almost the same pattern on it. Very similar. Not quite identical. I think hers was technically considered hobnail, but anyway, so this is the watermelon one. And for all intents and purposes, it looks damn near identical, does it not? Right down to the kiwi seeds in there, which, remember, I was so into that watermelon scrub from Tree Hut. It was my all-time fave. So I am glad to actually have this in, because I don't have a watermelon right now from Tree Hut. I have one from Beauty Creations, but it's just itty bitty, so that only lasts like maybe 4 or 5 times tops. But this looks like it should be a hell of a lot nicer. I'm very excited to try that. And we've also got, ooh, we've got a strawberry too. I don't think I've had the strawberry one from Tree Hut. Let me see. There's not a protective thing here. I can sniff if there is. Maybe not, but yeah, well, we'll see if I can smell it through, because I don't want to open it till I'm ready to use it, but okay, I can't smell it through the foil, but I would imagine it probably smells incredible. And then, okay, well, I'll share this one with my mom. I don't think Carla knows about the coconut allergy, so this one, I'll pay it forward. I'll let my mom have this one. But there's also a coconut one. But yeah, I can't use the coconut since I'm allergic, but the other two are still really good. What else have we got in here? We've also got... This is fun for two reasons. One, it's makeup sponges, which are always useful to me, but also, I highly doubt David's watching this, but if he by chance is, we see this, right? It's by Visage! And for those who don't know what I'm talking about, David Donnelly played with Visage, so I'm just like, amazing, amazing. And then, ooh, again, more from the Lacura makeup. I had no idea they made all this stuff. We have a liquid highlighter in Radiant Rose. Like, this looks like it's going to be really, really pretty. I've had a liquid highlighter before that was a very similar shade to this that I absolutely was in love with. So this is perfect. And then another one in Champagne Shimmer. See, these are like my go-to highlighter colors. Hell yeah! Like a nice icy white and a rose gold. Oh, is this one more? And this one's liquid blush. Ooh, is this kind of like the Rare Beauty? Which would be funny because my sister and I were just talking about Rare Beauty earlier today. Ooh, and now that I know how to sheer out darker blushes like this, because this in the pan is almost as dark as this. You would never know it by the way I wear it because I sheer it out. Now that I know how that works, so much embarrassment years ago could have been spared if I had known how to sheer out blush. So, small mercies that I learned it. Ooh, what do we have over here? Ooh, second one. So, this is a dupe on the Ruby Lip Kit. But I have a feeling, knowing me, I probably will, in fact, go all the way through both, so it doesn't hurt to have a backup of this guy, because that is a really, really, really nice shade. And then finally, ooh, oh, this is going to be nice. From Kirkton House, we have this ultra cozy knit throw and sock set. Ooh, this is so plush and so nice. Like that, oh my goodness. See, right now it's hot out today, but the weather's cooling down. If it goes down about another 10-ish degrees, I have a feeling I will already be reaching for this at night. Otherwise, as soon as we hit the cooler months in a few months, this will no doubt be in heavy rotation between this and that, what was it? It was like the knockoff Snuggie that's not quite as long. It was like designed for short people. Probably going back and forth between those two on any given day. But yeah, this is nice. Thank you so much for thinking of me with all this stuff. I'm flattered and very honored. Thank you so, so much for sending me these.